What's going on, everybody? Biker Dave here, Horsepower House. Back on this Polaris Trailblazer 250. Here's the main oil line right here that comes from the oil tank up front. And a couple of tips for you if you're working with an oil line. Get you some of these little clamps right here that can pinch the tube off so it won't be running out oil right there. These are very easy, very simple little things. You can get them at most auto parts stores. Good for working with fuel lines or radiator lines, on a motorcycle or ATV, dirt bike, that sort of thing. It just makes it easier. Little clamps, that's just a little tip for you. Something I noticed though on this main oil line right here, notice where the oil line touches the carburetor right there. It will vibrate, and this bike vibrates a lot. You can already see it there. It slightly has vibrated partially through the rubber hose right here. If you can see that down in there. It was a little difficult, but irrelevant if you can see it or not. I recommend you check yours, because it could vibrate completely through this area of the oil line, which means you start dribbling oil out on the engine. And you can either just replace it if you've got, the oil hose. I don't see what size it is, but here we go. I don't see the size. Anyway, if yours is worn through right there on the edge of the carburetor, I recommend you just replace the hose altogether. Or if it's just a little bit of wear, get you something to slide over it, to protect it. Or you could, run you some electrical tape around that area down there. Or some kind of protective sheathing, down in that area. That could, help it last a little bit longer. So that's just something I noticed. And that's about it. I'm going to show you some grease fitting points in the next video. So we'll be right back.